Hey everyone! Tired of your phone dying at the worst possible moment? Today, we're diving into the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh, your ultimate power solution. Imagine charging your iPhone over 6 times on a single charge. That's the massive 20,000 mAh capacity this portable charger delivers. Perfect for travel, festivals, or just busy days. But it's not just about raw capacity. Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology intelligently identifies your device for the fastest, most optimized charge possible every single time. This smart charging ensures your gadgets, from smartphones to tablets, get powered up safely and efficiently without you ever having to worry about overcharging or slow speeds. And for those who need to power up multiple electronics, the convenient dual USB ports let you charge 2 devices simultaneously, like your phone and a friend's or your tablet. No more waiting turns or hunting for multiple outlets. You can keep both your essential electronics ready to go, making it an indispensable gadget for anyone on the move. If you're serious about never running out of battery again and are looking for the absolute best portable charger on the market for 2025, the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh is an absolute game changer. You can find the direct link to grab your own Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh from Amazon in the description below. Invest in peace of mind. It's the ultimate power bank, offering unmatched reliability, lightning-fast charging, and colossal capacity that truly sets it apart from any other power solution. Seriously, for anyone needing dependable, powerful, and smart charging on the go, I wholeheartedly recommend checking out the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh. You won't regret this upgrade.